It's something we've been expecting for a while now, but finally on May 13th, 2026, it was announced that the British Army would be acquiring 72 RCH 155 wheeled howitzers. The long-awaited deal is to have a value of £1 billion and will see 500 British jobs supported at Rheinmetall and KNDS facilities in the UK. We review this deal and its background for today's video. 72 RCH 155s will be procured as part of a nearly £1 billion contract, which includes initial training and in-service support. The deal was awarded by the Organisation for Joint Armament Cooperation, or OCCAR, on behalf of the British Army to the German RTEC Consortium, a joint venture between KNDS and Rheinmetall. First deliveries of the RCH 155 vehicles are expected in 2028, and maximum deployable capability is hoped to be reached before 2030. This deal is no surprise. Indeed, we've known for quite some time that the British Army had officially selected the RCH 155 for its Mobile Fires Platform program, a decision made back in April 2024 as a way to replace the AS-90 artillery systems sent to Ukraine in 2023. Since that donation, the Archer artillery system has served as an interim capability and will continue to do so until the RCH 155 enters service. And so this latest news of a deal is a crucial step in making the purchase official. It's also nice to finally have a solid figure in terms of units ordered. In its own press release, the UK government naturally highlighted how the deal secures British jobs and helps to develop British industry. We don't want to simply repeat all of this information, especially those fluffy quotes from politicians, but it is indeed interesting to note that the weapon systems, the barrel, breech, recoil system and trunnions will be manufactured in the UK at Rheinmetall's large caliber production Telford facility. Furthermore, Rheinmetall is set to use British steel supplied by Sheffield Forgemasters, a move that will support this critical segment of the UK economy. And then the Boxer drive module, the chassis, engine and drive train, will be manufactured by KNDS UK in Stockport. In case you didn't already know, the British Army selected the Boxer for its MIV or Mechanised Infantry Vehicle program. This sees well over 600 Boxer 8x8s being operated by UK forces. The program includes Boxers in the following variants: Troop Carrier, Command and Control, Medevac and Specialist Carrier. With these Boxers also mostly being made in the UK, the facilities at Stockport and Telford will be kept busy for quite some time. We have videos covering the basics of the RCH 155 in its wheeled and tracked variants. But to share the basics with you in this video, the RCH 155 for the UK is mounted on a Boxer 8x8 chassis and can redeploy at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. KNDS calls it a, quote, systematic development based on the PZH 2000. Advanced automation of the turret allows the platform to be operated at the push of a button from the crew compartment by just 2 soldiers, and the gun is capable of firing on the move. Its advanced fire control system also allows for MRSI, or multiple rounds simultaneous impact. Germany is also a major customer of the RCH 155 in its wheeled form, having ordered 84 of these guns to date. And while a tracked RCH 155 is available, we have yet to hear about any orders for this variant. For Germany, the RCH 155 is the core artillery piece for its medium force brigades. These are army units that are highly mobile and self-deployable while still bringing a good deal of firepower to the front line compared to light infantry brigades and battle groups. And so the RCH 155 will go to the Artillery Battalion of the 21st Panzer Brigade, a unit that is largely Boxer-based, with the RCT-30 as the lead IFV platform. We imagine that the UK also had high mobility and European defence in mind when choosing the RCH 155. While the wheeled variant may not be as capable in deep snow and mud, it certainly has a speed advantage when on proper roads, able to get to the front line sooner than tracked equivalents. So, what do you think of the UK signing for 72 of these guns? Let us know by leaving a comment.